Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, dual pane panoramic sunroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.